In this video, I'll show you how to figure out why you can't add a debit or credit card to your PayPal account and what you can do to fix it. First, when PayPal refuses a card, it's usually for security or verification reasons. Start by checking the basic details. Make sure the card number, expiry date, CVV, name, and billing address are exactly the same as what your bank has on file. Even a small mismatch can cause an error. Next, check if your card is supported. Some prepaid cards, virtual cards, or local-only cards can't be added to PayPal. Also, a single card usually can't be linked to multiple PayPal accounts, so if you used it before on another account, that can block it. Sometimes the bank or card issuer declines PayPal attempts. This can happen if international or online transactions are disabled, there are insufficient funds for a small verification charge, or the bank's fraud system flags the request. If everything looks correct, wait a bit and try again without VPN, or contact your bank and then PayPal support for more details. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.